So I've got all my little bits and bobs that I've been prepping. They've all been through the bead blaster, or I've been Scotch Brighting them to get them keyed up, all my new bits, because they're already painted. I've got new floorboards, toolbox, exhaust manifold is all bead blasted, and I'm painting part of it grey. I think that's how the originals were. But yeah, all my bits are in here, or most of them. I've pretty much run out of hooks, but I've got hooks all the way through the ceiling in here. So as I can hang bits up, makes it easy for me. The only thing is I'm going to have to try not to bump into it while I'm painting it, which is going to be a challenge. But yeah, I'm just going to get some primer on all this stuff and then get some paint on. Everything looks so much better when it's all one colour. That's all now in primer, everything's primed. Lovely. Give it a bit longer and then should be able to just throw some top coat on, eh? I don't think it's worth flattening it down or anything. It's only a tractor. He'd be, you know, only a tractor, but he's a posh tractor. But it's looking good. Very nice. There we go. Everything's primed. Well, who doesn't like shiny bits? Look. There we go. Oh, lovely, shiny. Painted bits. Bit of a change from what it was anyway, which was rusty and crap. So from rusty and crap to all shite and briny. So now all these parts, once they're dry, they can go back on our little tractor. And I'll have to get on with the rest of it. Front end, bonnet, the rear guards, all them bits. But anyway, that's all those bits done. So another successful day. Just while we're on the subject of painting stuff, is anyone else doing a similar thing with their tractors? Do they go to this extreme, or do you just wire brush and toss it over? Or have you gone and stripped and sandblasted and prepped and painted and all this sort of stuff? Be interested to know what people are doing. I know you don't make any money out of it, that's for sure, because they cost a fortune to get them like this, but it will be an exceedingly nice little tractor when it's done. So yeah, let me know if anyone else is doing the same thing.